Hey woodworkers, today we're looking at the MT4012 multifunctional project table. This versatile piece is a workshop game changer. It arrives with legs pre-assembled, saving setup time. Each leg has a swivel foot for uneven surfaces. No more wobbling work areas. In your garage or on a job site, the MT4012 adapts, ensuring a stable platform for all your projects. The table surface comes pre-drilled with 3/4 inch holes, compatible with all 3/4 inch bench dog tools. This feature adds versatility to your workspace, allowing for secure clamping and support options. For a complete list of compatible products, check out our official website. The MT4012 works with solid steel and low-profile bench dogs. These accessories secure thin workpieces for precise sanding. For delicate veneers or thin boards, bench dogs provide stability for top-notch results. The deluxe bench dog boosts clamping power in the table's 3/4 inch holes. It stabilizes irregular shapes for secure planing and routing. For heavier duty tasks, consider the Workbench gripper cookie set. These low-profile discs offer increased friction, securing oversized pieces without marring your workpiece's surface. These gripper cookies also work with your track saw guide rail, providing stability when sawing boards with your track saw. Use bench dog screw clamps for larger pieces. For quicker setups, try the quick release ratcheting clamp. It slides into 3/4 inch holes or T-track for fast secure clamping with strong hold. From precise detail work to large piece clamping, the MT4012 is your workshop MVP. Its versatile design meets various woodworking needs. Get your POWERTEC MT4012 today. Build with confidence. Subscribe now for the latest woodworking tips and the newest tools for your workshop.